From pest control and rat extermination to assassination method and even vaccination, toxins have always played a crucial role in this world. For a long time, arsenic was the most popular toxin due to its fatality and untraceable nature. But with recent scientific developments, more fatal and efficient toxins were developed and produced. So, without further distraction, these are the top 10 deadliest poisons in the world. Number 1. Brodifacium. Found in 1975, brodifacium is a toxin mainly used for extermination and pest control, but humans and pets are not safe to it, cause even a single touch can permeate the skin and cause some serious damage. Toxin works through reducing vitamin K, which is a crucial element in the coagulation. With vitamin out of the blood, heavy internal bleedings begin and lead to certain death. So, stay out of its range. Number 2. Toxin. This toxin can be found in pufferfish body. Cute, right? But no. With 10 times stronger than cyanide, this toxin is not something to joke with. It's one of the strongest neurotoxin, which means it will block neural communication by blocking sodium channels, which means either it's inhaled or smelled, it's deadly anyway. Number 3. Cyanide. With both gas and powder forms, cyanide is most known and one of the deadliest toxins in the world. With binding with the iron in blood cells, cyanide will prevent blood from carrying oxygen to individual cells and eventually kill all of them. It smells like almonds and used by the Germans in the both world wars. It can be found in apple seeds in a very small dosage. Number 4. Strychnine. Used mainly for pest control, this toxin can be found in strychnine plant, which grows in tropical regions. This neurotoxin attacks the central neural system and makes every muscle convulse. The victims die within 2 to 3 hours, so take care when you use it for pest control. Number 5. Mycotoxin. Built in certain species called Gambierdicus toxis, this toxin increases the flow of calcium, which results in heart failure and certain death. Interesting fact is that coral reef fish which prey on these species is immune to toxin. So, the reason why the toxin is produced in the first place by these species is unknown. Number 6. Batrachotoxin. This toxin is in the dog frog skin, an extremely strong neurotoxin that only 0.2 grams of it is enough to kill any adult. Same to other neurotoxins, it messes with the sodium channels and paralyzes the neural system. This toxin is used by Latin American Indians for hunting and is not available unless you live in a tropic rainforest. Number 7. VX. This synthetic toxin was originally made for pesticide, but it was too powerful to be used in agricultural situations. Over 4,000 ships was killed by it in 1968. It's so powerful that only 0.2 milligrams of it is enough to kill anyone. It was mainly used by the spies in the Cold War era. The North Korean dictator's brother was killed by this toxin in 2021. Number 8. Ricin. This toxin works through sabotaging protein production in body and eventually paralyzing multiple vital organs, resulting in certain death. This toxin can be found on castor beans. This toxin is in its deadliest form when it's inhaled or injected, and it's not traceable if it's mixed with food or water. Number 9. Botulinum toxin. Produced by certain bacteria, this toxin is so powerful only a nanogram of it can kill any adult. It was used by the Iraqi dictator Saddam Hussein in war with Iran. It's a neurotoxin, which means like every other neurotoxin, it blocks sodium channels, which results in multiple paralyses and failures. A very small dosage of it is used in Botox to freeze muscles and minimize wrinkles. Number 10. Polonium. The deadliest mixture in the world. So powerful that it's 250,000 times more fatal than cyanide. So powerful, a single gram of it can kill over 10 million people in the blink of an eye. The mixture of radioactivity with the mixture of toxicity makes it impossible for any living creature to survive through it. So, this thing is not something to even joke with it or even think about it. But the good news is, this is very hard to produce. For making a single nanogram of this needs several tons of uranium, which means nowadays no nation has the capability to mass produce this toxin. So remember that these posts are only for information and entertainment purposes and not suggesting or provoking anything. Although it's almost impossible for a normal person to get its hands on any of these toxins, I'll try to stay as far as possible from them, will you? Please like and subscribe for more, and as always, stay safe.